Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we are doing another opening part of Hoffy's box here. His amazing 3D stuff that he did, and some of the knives that I was able to buy for him for the giveaway. So I have some 10K stuff here. Now you may not see this for a while. I'm not sure if I'm going to release this until after the 9K giveaway, or if we're going to do it as we lead up to the 9K, because I really want to promote the 10K. So let's look at this and see what this is, and yeah. All right, I'm going to go ahead and be opening this up with my Vero Engineering Mini Nova. So let's get into this. So first of all, I'll do the 10K prototype coins. So I think he wants me to take a look at these and see what we think. So let's take a look at these together, see what we got. Oh, that's cool. It's got a 3D kind of a texture to it. That is definitely yeah, look at that. Oh, does it come apart? Oh, it moves. What? It's like a fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, I wonder if I could put oil in there if it gets even faster. I don't know if he did that, but I am curious, Hoffy. I wonder if a little bit of oil will make this even go faster. Okay, forgive me if you already know the answer and I'm being stupid, but I'm going to go ahead and try it because I'm an idiot. So you can get mad at me for it. But I like this fidget spinner sort of thing. But I want to try. I want to try just a little drop of oil in there and see. It may do absolutely nothing. I love how this is even possible. It's so crazy. All right, I'm going to put a drop at the bottom. I think it's actually a little bit better. I know this may be totally in my head. So if it is, I'm sorry. Oh, now it's not spinning. Did I put too much oil in there? Probably. Maybe there's a thing that's too much oil. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll get the air. Probably too much in there. Let me blow a little bit of it out. Let's see if that makes any difference. But I like this. Oh, there we go. Let's see if I did too much. So look at that. I like that. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it. Definitely maybe a little bit of oil, but not a lot. Just a itty bitty bit of oil. It did make it a little bit faster. You can see that. I think that's cool. I'm sorry, I'm like fidgety here. Ooh, it's picking up. Oh, I bet this gets even better. All right, sorry. All right, so let's open this first. Follow the directions. I'll move the chip away so I don't keep spinning it and annoy the heck out of you guys. Like, just get on with it. So what do we got here? All right, so what do we got in here? All right, so we've got tape all around. All right, so that means I must pull the tape back. Ooh, what is it? Oh, wow. 10K Nerds Merit Badge. Oh, it's a Velcro one. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, that's really nice. That's freaking awesome. Wow. Wow. Now, I don't know what he means by this. Is this just for me, or is this maybe potentially to give away? Because this seems like that's a lot going on there. I don't know if that's for us, like the grand prize, or I hope if he is for the grand prize, I hope he makes an extra one for me. But that is stinking cool, man. That's a nice patch. That is really cool. Wow. Wow. That, yeah. All right. And then you get the, sorry, I have to do this one more time. I gotta do this. Oh, this is so fun. I dig that. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Stay focused. Stay focused, Robert. Stay focused. No squirrels. No squirrels. Come on. I know you guys are like, seriously, come on. Stop with the squirrels. All right. Let's get into this one. Whew. I'm excited. I never know what to expect. It's always like a treat and a surprise. You know what I mean? It's like you think you can be ready, but then you're not. And then here you are. You're like, I think I know what to expect. All right, so we got a box, like a full box with a lid. That in itself, I mean, I'm a simple guy. I think that's cool, period. But we got a nice big piece of tape. All right, what do we got going on here? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Look at it's like it's crystal, it's clear. Dang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These has got to be the uber special giveaway badges. Or what? What is it? 10K Nerd Merit Badge. I mean, this has got to be, oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, look at this. Okay, we got gray. Hold on, we got an orange one. We got an orange one. We got a pink one. Oh. We got a yellow one. We got a yellow one. All right, so now we're repeating colors. I think, is that the amazing colors? Oh, no. We got another one. We got another one. We got a red one. Holy cow. So, okay, so there's a second yellow, a second red, a second orange, a second pink, a second green, and a second clear one. But then you got a gray one here too. Wow. Okay, dude. Seriously, that is awesome. And then, like, this is the super fancy, the delivery one. You get this in a box. Like, I don't know. I mean, is this especially for someone? Would this be like the grand prize or something? Like you would deliver that to someone? But these are stinking cool. Oh, I hope I get to keep one of these. These are stinking cool. I like these. I like these a lot. You know, normally orange is my favorite color, but I got to tell you, I like his green. His green is really nice. Yeah, this crystal one that's kind of cool. That's unique. I really dig that. I bet from the side. Let's see. I bet from the side. Does it show up a little bit better? Can you see that? Does it show up a little bit better? I don't know if it looks a little cooler. Anyways, yeah, that's stinking amazing. Okay, so I like the prototype here. I think this is cool. I like this a lot. That's really cool. 3D. I mean, dude, this next level. All right. I mean, I'm just happy to have poker chips, dude. I'm blown away that you would do that for me. But then you're gonna go do something crazy like this. I mean, wow. And then this, because these are patches. Look at this. You can attach these if you have a wall of patches or something. I mean, that's cool. That's like, wow. This is like, this is stuff, this makes even what I want to do for members who are 2 years, I feel like feels like inadequate. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is really, really, really cool. Wow. Okay. And I like the box. That's really cool as well. 3D printed box, man. This just blows me away how that stuff works. Look at that. Isn't that really cool? All right, so we're going to put these guys back. I don't know if they should go together or not. Is that, no, probably not. So we'll do, this will be at the bottom. So we'll do a green, and then we'll do a purple, and then we'll do an orange, and then we'll do a red, oops, and we'll do a yellow, and we'll do yellow, and then we'll do a clear, and then the blue is unique. The blue one is absolutely unique. And so is the gray. Wow, wow. That is stinking cool. And look at, oh yeah, perfect fit. And then look at this right here, like that. And you have this nice little case. That is just, wow, Hoffy. Wow, man. Again. I wasn't expecting to be blown away as I am here. Sorry, I got a little lint from all the stuff here, from the packaging. But yeah, dude, that's cool. That's seriously cool. And just for you guys who are annoyed by it, I mean, it's like a fidget toy, you know? Look at that. That's cool. That's like poker chip on next level. That's poker chip next level right there. Wow. Yeah, dude, I dig it. I dig it. So this is to be, so I may have a little like written thing here to say what this is for, to say, you know, okay, this is going to be included maybe in a giveaway, or maybe I don't know what he had in mind, and I don't know if the poker chips we're going to get a bunch of them, or what this is just for the big 10K giveaways or something like that. I don't know, but I will make sure I'll have it maybe here. If not, I'll add a little clip at the end. But wow, that's cool. That's seriously cool. So thank you, Hoffy. All right, well, hey, if you enjoyed this, if you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, or just really weirdly captivating, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, if you wouldn't mind, would you consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel, it really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who makes comments, who's part of the live stream, who's part of the whole community. I appreciate you. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below as well. That way you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. You do two amazing things for me. You encourage me. I enjoy doing this, but you remind me why I enjoy doing this, so thank you. The other thing is, because of your generous support of the channel, I'm able to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could be able to do. So thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that support. It allows me to do the weekly giveaways, because sometimes, you know, I don't have enough funds to do that and everything else. It allows me to cover shipping when I'm loaning knives, to ship them back, and to cover the shipping for giveaways. So thank you. Thank you. You'd be surprised. You can spend $200, $300, $400, $500 a month on shipping. It adds up, especially for the big 10K coming up. So thank you for that. Yeah, I appreciate that. And also, as a way for me to say thank you for your two generous things, I want to do two things for members. I want to give you once a month, do members exclusive giveaway. It's better than Budget Bangers, something above and beyond that. And that's my way to say thank you. I'd love to give everybody a knife, but the next best thing I can do is, you know, give everybody a chance to win a knife. Then the other thing is, I'd love to send brand new channel members a channel sticker and a thank you note. Typically, that's just for new members, but there could be some of you guys out there who've been members all along and you never asked, or were members and became members again. You would fall into that category. So here's the thing. You just got to be actively a member right now, and you've never asked or received a channel sticker. Email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you all a sticker and a thank you note. I do enjoy doing that. It's my way to kind of keep in touch and touch base with all you guys out there. So I appreciate you. Thank you. If you all haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.